Rewind to 2017. If you guys have been following me since then, तो आपको पता होगा कि मैं अपनी फैमिली के साथ एक यूरोप ट्रिप पे गई थी जिस पे मैंने इटली, फ्रांस और स्पेन विजिट किया था. बट वो ट्रिप मैंने कभी भी यूट्यूब पे कंप्लीट नहीं किया बिकॉज उस टाइम पे आई थॉट पीपल डिडंट लाइक माई ट्रैवल वीडियोज़. बट हियर आई एम पिकिंग अप फ्रॉम मैड्रिड, स्टार्टिंग ऑल ओवर अगैन. We've made it on the train. After so long, I'm covered in sweat. I want to go to the hotel and take a shower. I feel so icky and wrong day to wear full sleeves, but we've arrived. Why didn't you wear full sleeves? Didn't you do it in a hot area? Oh, not when it's 40. I'm gonna change my clothes when I go, obviously. Apparently it's really hot where we're going, so wish us best of luck. We're on the train and this is my view at the moment. How do you say goodbye? Update. Where are we?
Guys, we're at our surprise location.
Hello. I'm sure कुछ लोग confused होंगे. Okay. So come back to 2021. This is Anusha from the present. और जो आप लोग वीडियोस देख रहे हैं वो है 2017 की. So हम मैड्रिड में हैं in Spain और हमारी बस थी, एक्चुअली नहीं, ट्रेन थी टू गो टू कर्दोबा, मगर उस दिन हड़ताल हो गई पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्टेशन की. So we had to walk to the train station because we could not find a taxi. तो वहाँ से हमारा व्लॉग शुरू हुआ है. अब हम कोर्डोबा पहुँच गए हैं. The reason why we decided to go to Cordoba was because हमने बहुत सी चर्चेस देखी और टूर पे बहुत सारी मुख्तलिफ दूसरी चीज़ें देखी. बट स्पेन हैज़ a history of being ruled by Arabs and वहाँ पे बहुत सारे इस्लामिक आर्किटेक्चर है. So we're like, हम स्पेन आए हैं तो क्यों ना कोर्डोबा विजिट करें and see the mosque. So that's what we're doing. Keep in mind, this is 2017 Anusha. My eyebrows, upper lips are not anywhere near good anymore क्योंकि बहुत टाइम से ट्रैवल कर रहे थे. And my skin is breaking out because of the sunblock I was putting on my skin. It was causing my acne to come. ये हमेशा होता है मुझे sunblock से. So yeah, let's go.
Cordoba.
Cordoba is a surprise. It took us a while getting here.
Yeah.
It's a lot of hassle.
Yeah.
As you might have been updated, I feel like vlogs are a lie because you don't get to see the bad times when you can't vlog and you can't use the camera because obviously you're doing other things. But getting here was a huge, what would you want to call it, Babs? What's the word? Getting here was a huge
Mishap.
experience or a journey. But we're here now and that's what matters. Keeping it positive, keeping it light. We're gonna go to the square, have a bite, and then we're gonna go see the Grand Mosque of Cordoba. Guys, we have arrived at our destination, which is the Grand Mosque of Cordoba. So Spain was ruled by the Arabs for, I don't know, 1300 years or something crazy like that. And then came the Christians. So obviously they destroyed the mosques, but not destroyed, turned them into cathedrals. So this is a cathedral now, which used to be a mosque. It's so hot today. It's 39 degrees. So hot. Guys, this mosque is ancient. It's really sad that it's not in an amazing state. I mean, they didn't really do anything to upkeep the mosque. It actually falls under the UNESCO World Heritage Sites, so it's an important monument, but it's not in the best condition compared to other places and other churches and cathedrals that we've seen, which is a little sad. But we're here and we're watching. Guys, this is what the mosque looks like from the inside. It's so pretty. It was built so long ago. They're renovating some part of it, I'm guessing, but because you can see some traces of where the cathedral took over, where they destroyed the church and they installed destroyed the mosque and installed the church, so you can see that. But the arches, very Arabic architecture. There's the very old floor plan, the floor plan how it used to be in the olden times, and then they had layers of different settlements on top. Wow, ancient history. Guys, so this is the church now. Oh my god, it is so grand. There's so much to see. It's probably the grandest building we've seen in Spain.
Yeah, it is.
Look at that. Look at the detail. Wow. Crazy. Every side is crazy. Babs, guess what?
What?
Do you feel different?
No.
Because we're in 60 frames per second now.
I can't see through the
Guys,
camera.
I don't know why.
Why? The camera is so wobbly.
Yeah, I don't know how this would look on like when it's on the computer. But we're filming in 50 frames per second, and this entire
50 or 60?
60, and this entire trip will be 60 frames per second. So get ready! Yay! Guys, this has to be a kid's dream shop. So much candy, Bugs. Look at that. Candy, so much candy. Whoa, Candyland, huh? Bubs, is this what dreams are made of?
This is what dreams are made. Wanna go back to the hotel and watch this movie?
We should. Let's do it. Did you like anything in this shop?
It's nice.
Yeah, they have good jewelry, but I feel like we can get stuff like this back home. Which one was your favorite, Bubs? Oh, these are some nice watches. I like this one. Guys, so we walked for 2 kilometers and we finally found a halal restaurant, and this is called the Taj Mahal in Cordoba, Spain. Are you excited? We've ordered all Pakistani.
Yeah, we
Kahai.
ordered like butter chicken, chicken kadhai, and what was the third thing?
Taj Mahal special kadhai, and we've also ordered naan. And ooh, we saw a cultus here. How cool is that?
Yeah. Hi.
Where are we?
In Madrid again.
We're in Madrid again.
Internet here is bad.
Pretty good.
Why is it bad, Bubs? Also, look at me. I look like a train wreck. I literally look like as if dogs went through me. And they didn't even like me, but it's just stampede through me.
Wait, so I'm in that bed?
Yeah.
No.
The girls sleep together, the men sleeps alone.
Oh no. And the best thing is, even Tabish is gonna sleep on this bed there. They would be happy. Guys, we're in Madrid in a Burger King, filling up our tummy so that we can have a 57 minutes walk. Okay, Tabish, you just wanted to be in my vlog, didn't you? Oh yeah, that's what he wanted. That's why he spoke. He wanted to be in my vlog. Well, I'm not gonna vlog you. I don't wish nothing. Bubs, are you gonna have your burger now? Bubs,
I got myself the fish deal, which is a Coca-Cola, a lovely fish.
Oh, Bubs has got some Coke
and
some fries.
some lovely.
Bubs, are you excited for the 52-minute walk to the mall?
Not really.
Guys, the closest mall to us is like 49 to 52 minutes away. Very excited about that. Bubs is living on the edge here. Fries with the burger.
Inside the burger.
Look at that, baby. Excited. Bubs, what have you got? Bubs, what have you got? What have you got, Bubs? Oh, is that all that chocolate for you? Who's gonna eat all that chocolate?
ये जो पैक जो है ना हम लोगों ने बिस्किट्स खाए थे ना
Oh my god, yeah.
ये ले
These are so good. Oh, here's your dinner.
oh my god yes let's get
Dumpling.
Oh, look at these.
Guys, dumpling.
dude let's get this please let's get this I want to eat this
I want to eat the
That
dumplings.
looks so gross. These ones are actually good. I've tried these.
I want to try sushi I've never tried it
I'll make you try it. Open it up, Malfoy. Open it up. Welcome to our hotel room, our last night in Madrid. I'm gonna take a shower. Let's go! Guys, the journey back begins. Bubs, you excited to go back home? We're waiting in line currently to get our boarding passes from the Turkish Airways counter. But it's gonna be a long wait because look at the queue. What's the agenda? We're trying to get something for 357 euros because that's the coins that we have left, and those will be useless. So we're trying to get something for 357. We're failing terribly because there's nothing that we can find here. First pain of the evening. Not looking forward to this journey. Talida.
it's cringe
Then where are we going?
we're going back to we're going back to
Not going back to. We're going back to Karachi. Bye bye Istanbul. guys, that was the vlog. I filmed all of that on my phone और उस टाइम पे मेरे पास था iPhone 7. I think I had a 7. तो उसकी quality obviously is not as good as what I currently film on. But I hope you enjoyed the vlog. अगर आपको पसंद आया हो प्लीज़ इसको एक thumbs up दें, शेयर करें, and I will see you soon in my next week's vlog. Bye.